Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's question is, divide by 4 by 3 times 3, a divided by 4 becomes d. So 3 into 3 is 9. That becomes 2 divided by 9. This is, first, let's rewrite the question like this. A divided by 4 by 3 into 3. Whenever you get a question like this, according to the BODMAS rule, we'll look at the division first, the one that comes first, and solve that. So here, division comes first, and then we'll keep the second operation for later. First priority is division. So A divided by 4 by 3 into 3. Now, when it comes to division, and here this is 4 by 3, which is in the form of P by Q, we'll convert it into multiplication and reverse it. So 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4, and this stays the same, into 3. Now, if we cancel out, 4 cancels with A, leaving 2, so it's 2 into 3, which is 18. This is the right answer.